See, I have enough space left in my camera to film this unique spot. We just came down the hill here. I brought my fishing gear just for a few casts. Came down this deer path where this is an old canal. Miss Lovey is to my right, unseen. And this is the main part of the creek we're going to get to by walking down here. This structure has been blown down for years. And then we're going to look at these flat stones out here. All right, be back. Okay, we come down this ledge, and we're gonna walk across here. Slubby's behind me. And go up through the creek. This used to be an old canal. I fished here decades ago. I haven't fished here in years. We used to get a lot of big carp. Take a look off of here first. Take your time, Lovey. I hear it crossing the rocks behind me. It's an overall view. This is about 10-12 feet down. There's a pool out here that usually had a lot of fish in it, right in there. Check it out. I used to catch carp all along in here. Alright, and there's the flood swept trees. And once again there is a plane following. I can never be left alone, can I? Where is it at? Where's the sidewinder? There it is. Alright, I see you up there. Trying to take away my privacy with me and Lovey here. Check it out. There it is. Catch this sidewinder. Look over here, Miss Lovey. There it is. There it is. Yeah, we see you. Trying to spoil our picnic. Alright, here we go. Okay. I'm going to take some casts. Okay, we are here. The water is very clear. Many nights night fishing here I did before years ago, decades ago. You see the water's very clear. And we came down through here. And up there, and up there, and up there. Okay. Let's see what else we got over here. Oh, they just gotta check out the hammer. Yeah. The heck is it? Yeah. See, they just had to check out the hammer, folks. Well, let me tell you, this is how it works. Let me see. We got the buzzing tail there. We got the buzzing tail. We got the buzzing tail, as you can see. They're flying planes across just to see how this thing works. All right, I'll be back. The fish are probably over there or up the mountains. All right, I'm now at the secret spot. Here we go. Here. What the heck? I just can't get a break. Yeah. All right, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful.